Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you my easy homemade bread recipe. So for this bread recipe you'll need 4 cups of bread flour. You may use cake flour or plain flour as well, but I prefer bread flour for my bread. And I'm using a stand mixer, but you can do this by hand as well. So it's 4 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 teaspoon instant yeast, 3 tablespoons oil. So you can use normal sunflower or vegetable oil, or you can even use olive oil as well. And in goes 1.5 to 2 cups of lukewarm water. So I just suggest you first start with 1.5 cups of water. And if you need more, if the dough is too stiff, you can add the rest of the water gradually. So mix it in your mixer or by hand until it combines into a dough. You can see there the texture of the dough. It is very soft and stretchy. So you'll knead it for about 10-15 minutes in your mixer or by hand. And then you're going to cover it with cling film, plastic wrap, and leave to rise until double in size, usually about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours. You can see how much has risen and how soft it is. Sprinkle your surface with extra flour and tip the dough out onto your surface. So I'm going to make one large loaf. Just mold the dough into the loaf shape, big enough to fit your tin, your baking tin. So I'm using a fairly large baking tin for this loaf. And just grease your baking tin with a bit of oil to prevent the loaf from sticking to your pan. Grease well on all sides and all crevices. And then you just pop your dough into the bread loaf tin. And you're going to leave it aside covered until it's double in size again. Should take another 45 or to an hour, depending on the weather as well. And there you can see it's risen about 3/4 way up into the pan. And then I'm going to bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, or until it's brown on the outside. And the way you can check if it's done, you give it a tap at the bottom of the loaf. It sounds hollow, and then you know your bread is baked. And there you have it. And after it's baked, just fresh out of the oven, you rub it with a bit of butter for a glossy shine. And there you have it, freshly baked bread, which I served with butter and corned beef. For more videos and tutorials, please follow me on social media at Cape Malay Cooking. And this is Salwaa Smith of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. I hope to see you soon again. Goodbye.